Edigana Honkomo. Wajin Channel says you bet me the ato your social media platforms are doing in so Oko Facebook wa I have SOMPA 93.1 FM. SOMPA 93.1 FM and YouTube SOMPA TV Ghana. SOMPA TV Ghana. And o text message ne WhatsApp message so no obet me e dia bekan ho 0243 220044 0243 220044 ama yedin komono midin ade na Yaw Boama Libya Borga anope ye hwe ni mo se honorable Benjamin Kingsley Kodua woye DC wo insuta kwa my people so friend secretary central anope ye hwe nim se obeba bekan ho and honorable Ekoko Frimpong or say Ekoko was ye Ekoko was ye one so a former DC wo insuta kwa my beposo honwa one so ebeke ho anope and yenua Prince Obriaboa so a banking consultant esase obi a wabene osikasam ene no ntutiemu one so ebeke ho ofie ha sei ne adwendwene Ghana ho na yedi Ghana ho nkomo anope yentena sei mama wakwa bai yenko ne yenko ye adwuma kaka mama ye betu mi biara Yemfambua yemandana asana yako nananu omoye biko enyanwe edrumi nusu yansu seyebeyebi yatuasu ya mama kwa be yen hyase na yen adwuma kakra ye mobon nsem asisie na wotwemu no nyina na fe ye ni enkomo na no pay ebegina MPP amanjuku no primaries ya e baso e wo omayi mo yi frank atufo e de ama party na enra enkomo pinu na ekoso party nim enkomo pinu a ena ekoso e wo party nim abra e council of elders e one MPP amanjuku no kokosia ye na omo e fa dwene e de afa e omo primaries no a e beba so no e hom ene se opani Hackman owusu agiman ene yetitire ni eda eku na no meeting no omo kokoye ye no yentete ne se omo ka kire flag bearers ni bi e aspirant ni bi mamenka ne sa aspirant ni bi se ebeya enka omo step down omo ekopa bi no mo chewo se beya omo step down na enkabomu ene ntiase ene odo akoye adwuma o party no mo biam so omo se ade omo suro pa se sabre ya enra ne na watch pepe pa omo ebie nkrata nomination forms na etum nipa 10 ena akofan krata ebia na ebia kwakodi akiri na omusuro ene so mba be start ya campaigns no ene ade kasantwi obekwakodi obi atem obi be kabi akiri obi amobi so akwakọ reply no ne ade na ekọ ha amanyuku no na ekọ se amanyuku no na ekọ akọfo wotimi ne wakame no ede aba party no mu into omunsusu ye nyina senkebe ye kra no a enkomunya a compromise candidate omo ede ne beko Hackman owusu agiman.
Well, whenever in the period leading to elections and selections, it's always a bit controversy arises here and there. But I think the fundamental issue of the solid cohesion, the party is not compromised in any way. And that is why we as elders are talking to these aspirants and asking them to rein in their supporters so that we do these elections with utmost decorum and also that insult and devoid of all acrimony and insult and whatever and the rest. And as I say, sometimes we behave like a football team, like the football association. If we will hold them responsible for the utterances of their supporters, we will not let them go free. Because to say that, well, I did not say, somebody said it. No, you have to hold and then make sure that you call your supporters to order. So the unity, the cohesion of the party is not, as I said, not compromised in any way. We want to stay together. We want to stay strong. We want to stay focused. We want to see and tout the achievements that we have done.
I was for your friend no Openi Hackman Ousu Ajima Nina no Council of Elders no meeting na womo ekoye yate so mo call on aspirant ni bi say omo step it down se be na party ni nkabomu ebeye adwuma na nkwese bia campaign yo mo ba beye watimi wakame na akwa ha dwene omo nya compromise candidate ya ebebo afa ne enko omo no so omo ma fan krata wa MPP amanyuku ni mu se delegates ne fatumi ma wunum na omo enyina se omo form nko 2024 elections ne mu baako ene yewura eye kojo poku yene ne enkodi nkomo menimara se nra Council of Elders na efreno na enokre se oma ka kire omo binum so omo step down na kojo good morning.
Good morning, Michelle with you for so.
Many for Ejos, Medisa no pay who ye.
That's your boko.
Yeah, the radia say. And our Council of Elders said in some ababetuja. Say, yen starting free, I say, almost say, Monshas na omo ebe hodu more aspirants no responsible wow supporters one call you mutu order na ebe kwa ya 10 ye ne kasentwinum ene sa ne manema no sansem ya Council of Elders mo mpeni for the two manim no wa fankrata ne bi usomu sei
when you say election no so they be a kujufuku me can say election be no a election of ideas. Is a contest of ideas and a contest of personality. And we a contest of ideas are Uncle Boo Pidi, a Wakakonya, no one some pony, the Aka, a Makaku feeding. And as a penning for so a Diomano or two. Now, maybe dear, Minra and Mitzin will join you, chairman of Council of Elders, Mr. Hackman. But Miami dear almost framed me last week, but now Friday no more. Sorry, I think it was the last week Friday and on part of Thursday almost framed me. I mean, I'm in sequence what Thursday and on part. I almost framed. I mean, that sequence what later. We got the human. Into no into me and cook. Into me, dear, almost in Kasai, but we can record no.
But say what is say mo Council of Elders ni be men can say Council of Elders because they say Hackman Ousu Ajima na ye chairman ya te say okasanse no say nkebe ya mu bi and step it down ni nya compromise candidate say be na campaigns ne mo makoni abamu ni ade e bia na mo actions and inactions binom akwa ha party no mo chances 2024 when the Council of Elders ya adwene say maybe step it down in your compromise candidate my party no
if you say here you just say well sir and I say we should not need to iga enya boni a suggestion no the apa but medium who say a bit too early for that conversation because any panel on Jimmy Hundia uncle for form Mate the kind and not me joy bra papa Hackman chairman Emma interview no so and the wish so mo feel says Sankasa bit me sia and Kabeboa until they want to work towards that but at this stage you know it's difficult maybe me budget kakra say Sanka ubia through the special delegates, the special delegates in India. At that stage, you know, we are doing smooth to that level. We now should say the account who say India at that point, no special delegates in India, 85% or 90% media air coffee. Now, maybe who go in here, don't say the message I criminal, India, it couldn't tell you 4B in Sumsa. Into no, why are they? Why I think that at this stage, you know, there is too early to call for any such conversation. As we develop a campaign going forward, you know, I think that CBC.
Enti nanka science you we nke bi anka ebeba nenke wosenka e bantam nenke ne kwan say council of elders no and mpanimfo atwen eme bedru this point ana.
Oh, there be just a bantam and a mantam. The be the time you better be a young coming. Now, make us a drink, will be bad, will be a China junior. It's okay. Almost that so much junior say, don't you say, but it will be difficult. Yeah, maybe question is why when that in form Emma, you know, share MPP party now since 2014. You share that in your proper election party. The last time was the year election for a leader was 2014. Because 2016 election I acquired a year you know 2 years before the election, which was in 2014. Next year, not 10 years. That's what I said.
Matthias,
delegates are all more party from 2014 to 2023. No more delegate 2020 and delegate 2014 and they all delegate every 4 years SOMPA FM. It's important and they know delegates are mapano at least you have a super delegates the chance to test the message of the candidate. After that, then we can see the way forward. But now, dear, like I said, it's too early for that suggestion.
Okay. Matikojo, that's no pay, but okay, say a call special delegates congress na omuko yi 5 no senior party and she ACTA na omuka se bia sa 5 no ebia ifi se we and ebia munyina montiase na yemfa na enko as flag bearer wa bra munko toaba for party no hodo for party no nkabomu for party no ebenya hoden etimidia breaking 8 no a sekojo okasa ni pa 5 no ho a obeti ase
minya yinjina kramu SOMPA FM you drew is when we get to the bridge. When we get to the bridge, we'll see how we'll cross the bridge. My young special delegates in India. I keep using the word, it's too early. Let the Mumayama process know and economy. When we get to that stage now, we'll see what the conversation will be. But for now, it's too early for anybody to be discussing a compromise. But as far as delegate, the conversation might change. Because at that stage, we would have now known a few things. API will say, message, is it well welcomed within there, But look, a day in politics is very long in politics. My entry of at that stage, if that call still exists, that's any panel almost 5, then the talk, if you say it's something we want to do, I don't think to take a decision. But for now, like I said again, it's too early.
Well, you that's no pay. Bibi any so e besa ba unchebi. Nyame nshira pa. Observe for we eye kojopoku nsafo aya ono so afan krata wa MPP amanyuku no ma wosre delegates no so monfa tumi ma no na oni party nanim enfo monko 2024 elections and na eye Council of Elders in Susu Mode Basebeya, Nipa do no Makofa Krata no, Homono Montrase, and Common Coso, na Omonti or Muase, Yenyumu Baku, na Onono, and ye flag bearer, Sense, Yebija or Mose, one corner or Monconque campaign, Yemuno, Omsi a catcher, Unmodie, said Yomo supporters Beya. Amfa kwamuno ye de ho so bo bebo ye de ho asoche be ma ode ba tebekwa na akwa kusi sei sabre na bia na ade na ase awie eno na ma Hackman uso agimana we chairman da Council of Elders na no wona ma hyase enkomo no wiki o ma dia ya te se weekend nyina so no e beto aso no mo ene mpanifo a ahiesia no ma didi san komo no abuso ye di akire ye bedi di hon komo so na de aso atoto fom ye be firi maba no ye de bebrem na yenko ase no for bottom pesia so ase no by election e baso 27th June busumi ye womi ne de toso aduonu enson 27th and na by election e baso e wo ase no for bottom pesia so NPP ebie forms ewo ase no for baton pesua so ema wono aklosi womo forms no womo bie forms no nipa mienu ena ekofaye aspirants mienu ena fankrata ewo ase no for baton pesua so openi Frederick Amuachei afakrata ena openi Charles Upoku esoso afakrata ewo NPP amanyuku no se delegates ewo ase no femfa tumi ma wo no mo emu baako no ni party nanim enko precinct no ema wo mo na busia honorable James Jechikwesi na woye MP ma de hye wo ase no for baton pesua so na wotwi mu ena ye de to manim se ose emfa ho any case ewo court emfa ho ene ni amanfo eka obesa contested by election no and I'm so my Dr. Kwaku Anane Jinde our senior law lecturer ewo Gimpa edi asem sei ema papa no.
There's another leg of the case, the criminal aspect, you know. I want high court because who could file for election now? Who didn't see you? Key statutory declaration. Now statutory declaration be who yes statutory declaration. Not said that change. And the day they say near Okano and no credit and no abrofo no perjury. I know a criminal. Until no beneath attorney general were interested. Obe pursue that perjury case there, meaning, but no error. But to say there, no case there. Question from all indications, the process is not a go through. Say or qualify say obe to be a contested aspect no, and also error. Obe pursue there, he can also go ahead and then pursue that criminal aspect. In the moment that Nipa no best started that criminal aspect, no, obe to be the court. So Nipa, there's a criminal case pending against him in court, and because of that, you know. I'm asking the court to say, "Yemfa injunction to no so." Open say, "Ye be the criminal case no we." Well, me mom there looking at signals are made taking the whole debate surrounding it. No, it will be risky. Say, obeko ako kase oko contested. He qualifies, but it's risky. Reason is say no. Obia ena say nipa na odeko court no. Say opa. Obitimi asa court. Say there's a criminal element. Engino asa say criminal element. Was that case no huntino. Me back to say court for injunction to no so copying say criminal element na e wo ye be carry. Or no antima here. Attorney General himself, Attorney General so bet me initiated those processes. It is so it me the line as of our advice said say na I tricky, I politically charged no kra no. Anke be here manenko.
We Dr. Kwaku Anane Jinde oye senior law lecturer ewo Gimpa na yene di nkoma o de asemwe eto James Jechikwesi ene NDC amanyuku no eni yenko amano so ne Musa Dankwa enkodi enkoma global info analytics yate se odoma ye survey bi wa say north na figures no say Musa, good morning. Hello Musa.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Na majimedi se ohoye.
Nyaminadom yehoye.
Ye de radia se nyina yehoye. Musi ate se mo global info analytics for matana se aye survey kakra ewo ase no for baton pesua so. Mo survey no na why na lead why na wini ase north by election no MPP NDC.
You mamin chemu kakra yenye survey bi for by election or assembly of baby. The HN say April 2023 poll no. As part of the sample na page of Ghana Henina hand. A piki a bill assembly of
okay
as part of the survey.
Okay.
And a publishing report in April. And a some publishing supplementary one on the MP's performance rating in the same April. If you almost declare seat vacant and they call back or here the survey a catcher on general issues in Asino. It was not specifically for the by-elections. Let's get this clear. With the by-election one, we'll be going to Asino and do our poll there and bring the report out on the 25th June.
Oh, okay. It's by 25th June, there. Mobile a proper survey by election, no. Now, what you to Ghana for him?
Yes. Into the it is in relation to what the signals we picked as part of the April 2023 poll. It was not focused for by election.
Okay, Matthias.
Any clear.
Yes.
My consider that to be the by election. Matthias,
Matias enti sa April survey na mo ye ya mo fa samples e wo asen of no na MPs no performance any political parties no omo performance na et say e wo asen of no.
There are a number of areas there share all the places we went to. Beside Alan MPP race, national race, we asked specifically about the direction of the country. Say, Libya Borga, yes, and yes. And I seen not from about 65% say Libya no yes, and 19% say Libya no yes. And it become about the performance of the president. 77% say on Humodi, and 23% say on Humodi. And it become said, compared to 12 months ago, it's the same. As I improve, and I say I West, and I say NCSI, and 65% say I West. So that is the majority of people saying say I West. And it becomes say almost GDA in the next 12 months, they might be improve now, and 80% say they be permanent GDA. So if you have some of these indicators now, it shows the ruling government may have it tough in a sense of as far as the Electoral poll is concerned. But bear in mind, about by-election, about the general feel about the constituents on the governance of this country. Now, that is the basis on which we are saying it's likely NDC may retain the seat. But the council we will go back there in June to make sure we have the right accurate polling report for us, which is specifically about the by-election, and that may give a different result from what we have seen in the April, because among parliament is every day.
Na Musa, elections near 27th June, and mo say mo beba bonten na just one started process na say afi number 25th no.
You best start around 20th.
Around 20th.
Because so too earlier, you leave room for a higher margin of error.
Okay.
For the poll.
Okay. Because
between them will be 300 and about 200. People's mind can change.
Yes.
But at the very later, best margin for election, and that will fall within your margin of error.
Okay. Okay.
But you may get the news headline, but you get it wrong.
Okay. Okay.
And we value accuracy of the poll than just the headline.
Musa, that's because you have to say contractors a war ascend north road minister alcohol send you who kuma here. A better sweetie. It me know ya gonna say bia moko hunter moa the kwine no koye ye kwine ya de bia na badata na manfo adwena sesa. Yeah. Musa yedase. Why? Yo. Abza fonti we eye Musa dankwa na yene no akwakodi enkomo no na wacheche ne mamu de akire ye no nyina eye by election na eba so ewo Asen North empesua so na Benjamin Kingsley Kodua ye friend Kwame ana bi friend Pozo bi friend ni dindi bebrebe we DC ewo Secretary Central in Suta kwa my people so about empesua so amai ene makomakomi ensa udi DC wo ntrimye de semperi fota na chi ena honorable eye ekoko frimpon esoso eye former DC ewo empesua no so eye isuta kwa my people so Secretary Central, the longest serving DC in the history of Ghana. Honorable ekoko frimpon be join yen no be represent NDC na yenua a Prince Obriya Boa so a banking consultant a obi a wabene o sikasemu on so akai ho na yedi nkomo anopay yen nkomo no a 2 straight NPP Council of Elders asemwa omodi ato ewura no mo a omakofa nkrata nim se beya dodo no one step it down no munya a compromise candidate for some fee say abatoɔ no mu nsɛm ɛbɛpiepie no ahwe ana nkɔboa wo nom ɛna warning no mode ma aspirant no sɛ wa wo be lose ama o supporters akodi atam yɛbɛtwe waso yɛde ho so buo nyina ntansa ɛbɛyere wa pampam no ɛno so ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna I say north by elections I say north ɛyɛ swing constituency sɛneɛ na no last week yɛyɛ exercise kakra ɛwɔ hɔ no nyankopɔn yɛ adom a next week so no ya kompasua no so yɛbɛyɛ adwuma kakra bi wɔ hɔ no mo na yɛakyerɛ mo bibi kakra ɛwɔ ɛyɛ ase north abaton pesua so sesei NDC kyerɛ sɛ kwambia so ɔmo de James Jachikwesi ne ɛna ɛkɔ NPP so LP nominations nipa mienu ɛna akɔfa nkrataa ɛwɔ mpesua no so Frederick Amoa Cheyi ɛna Charles Opoku ɛna afa nkrataa Nyankopɔn yɛ adoma yɛate sɛ 7th June ya ɔmo bɛto aba na ɔmo ayi baako na omo de na akosene omo si ye no okumawu no sa pepepe e na omo ebeye no e wo ho no but ebinom so sound warning e de ama MPP say so omo nim na niam bi omo ye no okumawu no omo ye omo dwene so omo kwa akoye bi wase no fa aba no ombedi omo dok no kwa se ne ehun se si obia tu ne Land Cruiser kogu krom ho no mo national executives Land Cruiser se gogu krom ho no mo no wan hwe ye kwase no for sa e be sha manfo abufu Benjamin Pozo say it's not true
so can asembo ma
Mate yo ejamanfo bi no mo nsusue no say NPP enye careful so mo se sa gitwi Land Cruiser wan na omo mpanimfo na ekogu kumawu no ma menka no kora ewom nkyere mo se bebre na akọ no mo kọbọ life omo ankoye hwe ama MPP party no ne omo ye se o akogina polling station baako no ama ne nkwala aye video no ma twetwa picture no de ato ayi WhatsApp social media meso me kọ kumawu meso me koye campaign wanya hu I'm telling you omo anya hwe ne omo enjoy aye se do Land Cruisers ni kogu ho Kwajiji hotels ya omo kode da ho they did nothing for the party ewo eye kumawu omo ye real deal no ewo ho omo ye adwuma ne pa ewo ho no mo omo fa sedama eyi chema wuntumi omo fa sedama chema because chema wuntumi hu se eye ne region enim guase ba eka ono chema wuntumi no etina for be say a month or relocate to eye kumawu and yes nani guns no ne niema no so ye de oye ba ne nyina e wa abatu mu oye se be ya whether e din se de ya obe make sure say on be retain kumawu seat no enti omukọ ase enough no so omukọ yesa omo life sem no a omukọ hihye shoe akese ene ho akese di kogu kumawu no ma anya hu no a ase that be me family time so we so me dia me de mamu kobo bobo life I was say no for o be di omo dok no kwa the same thing applies to NDC no NDC mpanimfo bebre wo kumawu a o ma be ye hu e wo ho ni omo enjoy ya say obo so makosia o ba bi 2-3 bi no ma sheda mo bi plan no atwa picture no ya video na da TikTok na da Facebook say ono so ba kumawu anye hu Omanya hey Omanya she and the both MPP ni NDC some of this attitude no eko eye I say enough about on person so a omo forget it ombe sha manfo abufuo e wa say enough constituency no so eye swing constituency NPP ntimi nkasa chenchirenchira eye omo dia NDC so ntimi nkasa chenchirenchira eye omo dia te se ne kumawu MPP fi so omo da se de kra kumawu ye omo dia no ntimi nkasem e wo ase no for baton pesia so nti omo strategy a omo ne bewura ase no for no mo nkoye kumawu die ne bi omo nsesa no ne bi omo ye no a little bit moderate ya enka ebebo omo ai contractors ne de omo kogu ho omo ye adwuma yes they should do it abinum kasa ai na ye ba beto bentina ye de umunaji a ye de waje osreji a waje ekwa ne nye ene yesu a obi amfi yen nyame ya adom ene ye mpi asem waba ene wokro ene ye se ye ba beto aba foforo na se eja nyame ya adom ni aba be ye kwan de amaya mo si dabi ayo man ni nyina sika etisi ya say enne ye de ba be ye kwan de amaya se eto aba ni wi omo mbo kwan ne mfa nko ye to aba ni wi a omo mbo kwan ne mfa nko enti baby aye gina no FM o se wo so no o ye bia ayi Kofi Akpalu o ye CPP na so so ko ho no mo a na so so ope a strategy no what develop messenger so o de be convince amanfo but e ba say ya no mo ya kwan e no mo yes kwan nge enti asema ba na o de emfa ne say ya kura ye tifie ya yesi ye tete ye fie mu ne ade say eye ba fie ade ne ye wo fie ho eye anase asem si fie a say bia minua ba Ernestina anase bia Linda e ba be ware a ne ye kontonso ana ye ko ngomase agrek ngomase say ye ko na yakwa akwa ne ho ade a that week no ne sa month no say sika kura ni ho no mo a ye be kwa kopa busia e de aba akopa aka do e de aba be siesie fie ho e de aba twi fie no ho because awo be fie what am I say eti ye kura no ye say ye city ye fie mu ni ade no say asam si fie na si be siesie fie ho nom e de ahia ho a how much more eyi okwako eyeye eti wo mu na age a waje o sereje a waje omo ko omo mbo kwan no enko but eno so no omo so omo asesa contractors na kwakogu onom no omo so no ehunu se after by election no the real deal 2024 enti se ne o the contractors na kwakogu well ya tise kumawu still Joshua ba ho no a o ye adwuma eye se o to aso but I say no se kwese bia ye di nipa na koguo contractors no akoguo omo eye adwuma no na fe ye to oba ni wie na ekoye asekwesi ko no gina nkwantia ayi lakadesika niema koye ye ne basa the real deal no 2024 mo na musimu break ye tie mo na musimu break mu etie the real deal no etwemo in 2024 abusiafo anopay mama wache mesoso media no mama bidjafo akwa na ye ni nkomo kakra bi mama ye betu mi biara ye fambuwa ye mandana asana yako nanu omoye biko enonwe edrumi nusu yansu seyebeyebi diatuasu Observe for enti so mine be ya efrimi no mi enu ne ye kakra ye ene benam so ama ye mine se ne yesi penu no akọ ede ama yen observe for me yem bo birthday si so sisia na mema eye puzo akwaba na straight away ye ni enkomo ma me em bo birthday si so sisia eye buffalo fame ko good we eye mia michocho mucho mia media Kimura obapa ajua benewa boama Kimura obapa ajua benewa boama enono okosku ewo eye Maria Montessori okosku o Maria Montessori ena wenya 10 years ena obapa ajua benewa boama enya eye 10 years obapa nyame nshira wate nyame nshira pa na wontu nkwanem na eye good baby girl no a SOMPA FM se obeye no wate enwumre se mama me no awie bibia ntimi se enwumre me sort out wate nti nyame nshira buvalo yanko yanim okay DJ Couscous so a former general manager El Boss FM DJ Couscous former general manager El Boss FM and DJ Couscous ne birthday on ne bag girl and AD birthday nene on ne bag girl and AD birthday nene to Couscous and then they also see from who and also see from boys ya be yero ne nti mebe fie na ye di nkomo yanko enim buffalo yanko enimo okay minua ba Reni ana edini ye kan say Reni osei ousuansa Reni osei ousuansa dodo no a efro mame sewa yese oye supply officer ewo Sakafia Islamic Senior High School oye supply officer ewo Sakafia Islamic Senior High School wa wunia Nana Ousu Samuel Japan Nana Ousu Samuel Japan we accountant ewo Sakafia Islamic Senior High School say omo a happy birthday inti yenuaba ye mame se wa Reni or say Ousu ansa yema happy birthday and the last one no yes ene PSA Esther wayemi ye waye yampa o waye yampa inti PSA Esther and your birthday yama a happy birthday we free programs manager o man hene ya wadubu ache ye general manager Tofia Kwa ene obi bia wo fia ha bia obi bia ene wan Buffalo DJ Buffalo mate ene obi wo fia ha bia ye de che se ye no ti se nua de bia se ye no wo fia ha ni nti PSA Esther ye ma happy birthday on the ball wayemi ye menene nye de kametunyum yi ama nti PSA ye ma happy birthday pa na mami ma bedwafo akwaba na ye ni nkomo ye be start e de afri asen no about to empesua so pozo ma chen
yeso dunia
na ho ye
rada da ma ho ye pa
ye de rade ase mama honorable Ekoko Frimpon so akwaba na mana tenase the longest serving DC in the history of Ghana the DC Kakrawa Santemampon no kutwa so ko wieye ewo eye sechere central insuta kwama people so nzwe insuta fo mienu na insuta sechere central adise mienu na obi no fa na Asia no pay honorable me watching o
ya medie
me gidi se ho ye
oh yanko fa daro
ye de radiase na se no fo be ko bia na
nyame boy be ko
okay ye de radiase and pay hwe ni mo say Prince Obri ebo asoso no e be join you fia say na ye din komo but straight away yanko asenof about to empesua so pozo asenof mo se mo GCT no e de free ye MDC ni James Jachikwesin ensem
Yaw Boama babena was na nchia watie fo na hwefo nyina na ye benya me asese wlade de yenkwa ache be 4 days ni na bitu kwan ekwa akra na yinuma bi ana na esiku yi SOMPA FM na me kwana bibinti na esemene ho kaniko na yawrade di akọ di aba bidrosun bi
okay
na na madru kumasia na chese ye de yawrade ase
okay
na menchia de shia was searching fifi mansin ye esuta kwa ma be poso na nan ma hene miensa said na wokan ndi zo ka bitimi ya da aya me kwara mitimi ya da mo fa me ne mo fa
no ofa nyina
ntiri wende no fa kra de ntiri ye on kra de no wa ma hina kuku dam nine because said on no come ampon
okay satana ni nyina
boom ba ko tina ye hon me ensa no so sa nya ma
okay nto no nya nine na etiba
ye ntiri am da de na chemo fa de na ntiri wende pa
na ntiri wende pa
na kumase Libya Borga me bai if I be a mete e okrufrum yanso e wa wokọ new road ha o branch said de wokọ yi krufrum bunsu ho no a o say efie no edi kan sabunkum ni di fa no a o mo ton ties wani mu sa me meti ba bi e di fa no na o muti o pa tago ne ales ne chakwa bi no mu nyina anti
okay ya mo machi
na ye ko asenof na o kasaru kanse bepre na biti opa se MPP fo a e ko 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 2019 kumawu amudi kwa ye life shoe ene ade Libya Borga nya sanity. I'm not saying say bia obi ankwanko yesa
SOMPA FM
ana kure wom ni say so your assessment wo hwe uwi a wo hwe di padodo azumi say nipa 10 na koya dodo say na ye serious e wo de no mo kwa akoye no na dodo say so na no mo ye serious o say I am there now kasana obo chema wuntumi abaso ntie mu bi sei kuma ye ho ana ye campaign de ama chema wuntumi
aw ko polling agent kuma wu
aw de nye ho me ka se kuma ye ho na ye campaign de ama chema wuntumi se MPP for on sanfa ne mla bi na ebi no so because you see so be all more who say what you class chairman wuntumi no mu kula akotran for the past 1 month
SOMPA
now we reframe ne say no kra what wo kumawu na so what na say bia na adwunum say kwoti bi di kra e jinja no city it dey person we come out e fa de wo kan say MPP ye ko kumawu e ko me business yes bia di pa ba kwa na mi no bi e na bia ya mo tete se amanfo kwano ano e no mo ye dey e kupi put no kure wom ene se bia wo menim na dodo ade kokumawu so menim na dodo ade kokumawu eduru bia se ka bia na mem de si ni achi mu na ezi en sole ye ho no eduru Friday na achi mu eduru Sunday na achi mu so we say na ba bia mbo na besro nti besro metima akasa nsole dodo no a e wo besro ho do beko
chema hu se utwa picture ba kokura to social media no so
even no ya ni your platform ya ye group no ya platform but me no my de na ekoso e say report election day ni nyina ma e ba pim sa me man fa hwe anto so e no nche so mo de to so no e but na me point the we no ma say serious uza me be agent
hona make hona agree no
me be agent kakra na yasakwe house to house nti me mo no na me ne polling station executive members na what that polling station so nti so pia go so yasi ensuta dis ni no no emu no ase na daje na ewurawura fi mu a na jinja amlante ne mabawa sada dodo no ekoye ne ekoye be no kra the election day but then America nyina na ye no ma nipa bi kwatra ho no mo so obi afiri enkran aba no abetra kuma wi say because of life just two now can be o cast maybe
SOMPA FM
so you tell me say me ko nsuita be ko bi firi nsuita na me ko kuma wu a me say busa mo fa yan ye ne ayi uwura kuma wu ahwe awu
oh yes so to me fa
pepiase na ebom ayankasa haya kumawu haya ya eti me no me kokumawu a enya afi na me twa bia oboase DC yafareka
no correct
but you etu ye dan ya both NDC both MPP we ye dan ya sa normal ya na ye kan say bia system na bia obi nya dai entiase azumi say bia DCB kula enho aka na DCB eye bibi da DC fo nyina ekwa we free so nyina free wa area they are fine pass we free definitely obi ekwa with the car
DC is the nyamia ne mu nie mo bo modene mo ya de ekota mu nua adaje kuma chita na chi ye eye adwuma no but me angle ye deputy ministers any CEOs any omo mu gunkra ho no mo no omo be se mo adwuma no ena make am
menye ntumi so bi be se
de to asem so
to asem so menye ntumi so bi ba be se obi adwuma
obi wo ho picture twa no nya anetan adwuma na no ba be ye no
we do pa bi se obi a se me no pre bibi na post ba to ha na ye pra so post ba be to ha de pra na me pe chairman no me ya na pe organizer
ya na umpe esuro ho de no pe
chairman just me hu no kra say esuro me hu say organization work no na ye me nti so ahwe na ujam kra na mu organizer kra ma kwa akwaje don't see city so we jare pa na you any free kakra bi na chairman ho na wo organizer ho ahwe am kwa kofa wo organizer sana me suba no don't you so hwe ya mawu edi so hwe ya tan bia na obi kra omo akra na no omo nam create mi ka kire wo se chief na anyo am kakram se ya na agi ho me ade that's what the shanko akwadwan enti be pim sambi omo na me no omo zone police station for dey bia so bo fra me di nkomo ekomano 2 ye kan puntu na o man dey ade na ye puntu na ye ene ukom krom bi poso a me free asi ya me free akraba aba me free asi ya me sa kwa yi be poso nko ayi ho boroten be poso nko nsuta ni atonsu ni nkura aka ho enka unu obi a wawu am ye bubu dan ayasasi foforo obi a wawu na busuan kakra no a abusuan kakra ni panu wu ya no eso di person masi se di ositie ne bra wa bo ne ade ni nti di abubu dan ni nyina tu agu di asasi dan for
SOMPA FM
obi a wu this year ye be see next month da ba choti ase be wa no so no wo be ko na bi a wo be kurati abusuan ni mu a wo pe bi a 1000 cedis dia ye bibi edu betimi aka kire nso obi ono ofiri so maame ana papa awo no no ma hwe na mana duru baabi na papa no afiri mu ana maame na afiri mu na ofiri se bibi bie ni won mo e bi ase ko pati ase ana maame ti ase a e ko be hwe no it is a senti bibi asi papa ni obi mu nti na last respect what dem no answer wo yes ha de ne de hye na nimunyam no ubetimi aka se nipa no emfa se sika no emfa manko bodwetiri ti de bia me ka asem se sika di ayi ne emfa bodwetiri ba cha wati ase enti ano de na enwanwa se obi afiri mu na ye ba election a na empuntudwuma kosoa e de na enwanwa enti se ya MPPO se ya DC ye news because krono as a kwan hon mo obi a complain kwan nye na fe de kwan ye yan so ese de na no me say na obi ti one of FM station madam for back woni anti wunya sem bondi no ne na ya aduma pia kasa o ya de ya to abali wie ya na fidi a wokumawu enyina sesa de koy ba se nkuma fidi a wokumawu ya sesa ko wo sianse sankoyo bi pa wokumawu no wo mo hwe ena omuti na me gidi ye se MPP aban enkoye mistake ni kurada bo se dia menua nyame ya do to aban ye so nyanso ni kura
David
dia so ni
NS ya
woni kwa 1.5 year yes aba beto aba what you say eti MPP aban aye ready say ade bia ya shake mawu my ebon
SOMPA FM
aseno yesi musuro jechi kwesin enye yesi musuro nti na ase mudi ehunehuna na jechi kwesin obi file hwan criminal yi charge de abono injunction e de ato no so
Libya Borga se yeto otekoko asase so to ye sure so betimi akọ otekoko so nana e otumfuo na oti adwom na aka asem yese na agi atum yese hwase
se usu ni oban bi so
bi tia mi bi so
yese no say na say nye nokre
boga be se ubetimi akọ na ase yese minia ma min ka se mi chiro
mitiu
okọ asen yi a issue na ho no no am se amanfo nya daje ntiase yi
chemi mu
I say me gina o say yi ya na me tie yi
SOMPA FM
me wofa yes me wofa keko so I study and say de bia no me ni behia me kasa me very careful because say metimi aka ni pe say this year midi so metimi this year bepim sambi na me ti musu ne esa bi o ka ho bi uyi nyankopon firi wa wo mo ka ho mo advice no ka bi me wono ye DC no na me assembly member nti me hia no ma bebiri firi no so me wie ya ye bo bi din wie ya no me frɛ no ma men ka ne krancha nya so tia wo se ho na NDC ne MP before do NDC for the north But Drew baby, I was before some maybe putting in oh, be must in a pose in India band or school band walk corner there and the other. But my can were few days open. Some idea shame in Kurama, yeah, you know. SOMPA a shame in crying. And mammy did dinner more me play and say, one. Mammy pray, I'm on more sebo man co school and quite it is a media. You drew petty, a petty, Juma grassroot, you do a more yana. A so moon cry. I'm on why, I don't why. Sir, and suppose to me fatty yababy this year, and I'm so many and I'm so many this year. Back on 2. You will school one more. Why? What up a school be as a dear Uber century, do I say more school Buama, Amoko? No, correct, the boy. And your school will be we our baby a lawyer. We walk around court to that on yet, and lawyer and then so I just see a tell what I say. One would can crew. One would be a what call a school war he opposite a ifui. Ghana Watafui. NVTI. Okay. Where far West School, I say, people call your babbage over there. So, where school you are? SOMPA FM. You are baby DDC or Ghana. Libya Borga. We are West School or babbage. We confonoche a year. Nursing or baby NS. Chim school or Ghana ha. Ukuya, Ubabi DDC. And into because the pose and go be to DDC. I mean, to me, you know, this is the you can't be a siege. They can't be a time I hear penny. Now, man for baby. A catcher and say, pose on course school, no actually, and went to me, and but a foot every day, we are clear, you better confirm it. Then probably preachers say to know. But on about cock of out. A friend of cover catches and Busam. Pose on a moment in the assembly member, no, I'm what you want. I have body. Musu mutu no atian ne atu no mutu no atian na won be booty person wo ba be ya assembly member me nua ajaboko ofa okrata no a da bi o question ne o udin di say wo hen because mara say ayese wo kra na wo gina assembly election electoral ano wo ko gina no ho na wo to aba tidi mara say wa wu dia wu ko jina no wo ko president to aba ma say assemblyman no o say e ba bia wo to aba emra ne say ayese wo ye Ghana di yes ana wa wo kire san enti azumi say me Benjamin Kesikodia me na me assembly member obi poso west ana obi tadi ana hu say sa time no a na me file me forms because the serious back wo say wo wi before so wo be san no one more you one more kire say wo kire say me Benjamin Kesikodia information the dia man nyina ye de kwa no correct asa na wasa enti say me sawie na kodru baabi na obi trust hu say time wana pozo esa ne krata na wode ne krata ne kwa akoma yisi no samle na pozo to na aba o forukrom so nya ho na pozo kwa akojira as an assembly member aye be post west etu twa yisi atro ne samlo waka no ayi krata so say ne samlo waka ni nyina no e dey tie say second na say e dey third what dey so now last now say e dey born in e dey January no wakatua ni date de oni pa so etire man busa no wakatua ni date de ya do takra ne bo piti busa se ne date ya sabe so tio and na ya third and ma film phones nyina ram say be Benjamin Kesikodia third June and someone ma kan be de bra yi si nyina ya na ma san it is a chira bi e kodi bosome ensa no be fa chira hu say no me sam no a me de call ye no so be de call say be yisi de come say ye no kre na sanya no kre so twen bia no be jitum no na Felipe ko hu say me ka say me to aba be post west e ko wi ase me to aba ho me to aba ho eya me to aba ofuru krumu ade abaya say nyo so is so free ala ko yisi bi wo mo ba bia duru na so court the court jitum sampa de o kan ano ene kosi ya papa ndie no pretend this fu paint picture bi say ase aban no Abano ana wɔhyehyɛ suma ase ɛna wafa kwati kwa bi na woyi papa na ato akunya so bo a wo ha ɛyɛ sɛ wɔn mma Ghanafoɔ ɛne nipa a wɔasen no ɛde bɔ even though NDC foɔ kora wɔasen no so bo pa yɛ sɛ wɔn de bɔ yɛ papa no ɛne NDC foɔ no wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn davɛte sɛ ɛbɛyɛ ahɔfoɔ no ɛmfa so bo ne mob Libya Borga
na wodi isi no
yes we did see no hwɛ edi antina make sa so una wo twantoro ɛna ɔmo so adwene mu ɛsɛ NDC foɔ mpanyinfoɔ so ɛto ɔmo ase ne kɔmo hwɛ hu sɛ asɛm no papa no ɛna no ma na ɔde agu nkrataa mu na ade nyinaa no ɛyɛ kyɛni bacha wan say eti ade ewo mu no sɛ adamu a ɔsɔ bi te ne forms ɛdama yi si no ɔnya Ghana ni no okura ha wɔyɛ Ghana fa ɛyɛ ne ka sɛ bo fa dade fa no kura ewo mu no sɛ o ka sɛ nɛ ɛdeɛ oni bibia yɛ Ghana asɛm anya na asɛm ne ka nya na ɔsɔ bi te
SOMPA FM
wodi ka sɔ mi te ne forms dada hwɛ wɔn sɛ me ma yɛ bi pan be mmara ne se sɛ wɔyɛ civil servant mmara no ɛsɛ sɛ wɔyɛ civil servant before say obekwa ko gina as a member of parliament no so resign edu say me so we 2020 280 na olabo kwam o say prempe and olabo kwam asafoji and kwai olabo asafoji ko independent olabo say prempe ekwai at a time or submitting the forms no resign free adwuma
emudi ya
olabo asafoji at a time one no submitting na yi no yi no resign free adwuma et me who so resign me did go high court
okay
what you say me did go high court say per Ghana constitution say so you civil servant now we be gina as a member of parliament yes so resign et me the call ye chide no and say no call resign but resign we me making sure say date you dey resign no me say kan resignation letter no and am the come am lawyer no so fare ye say koduru court wa ne ye kan asem no a na so resign ye be hwe date ye dey file case no ye hwe date ye dey file ye city
Mate oye DC was such a central abaton person the Benjamin Kingsley Kodua na me call no boy koko from po hono na messages kakra mo dey afa Facebook no ma menken kan for mamo Felix upon wo bampena say or say honorable Kennedy Kwame Akompre ko Japan na ye the only person a obetimi awini power dey ama MPP amanyuko no Felix upon mate say last week na your birthday on me ma happy belated birthday wate nyame enshira and segepa yaw ana SOMPA yaw dini se ni city bia no fa che me o se me read message Jesus na me read you Sir John Bososo or say NPP for esro the return of Jechikwesin eno nti na omoye ni nyina na nyade a ebefa o se na nchi ankoma honorable Kingsley Owusu Newman incoming MP edema fanti akwa South abaton pesia so Nicholas Nicholas Adizem on the obechia ye Piaga o say good morning yaw Ghana for be koswa no more ado no more attraste MPP than NDC na upon or say Ghana ehia a disciplined leader say honorable Kennedy Akompre kon Japan Nana Jemfi or say good morning or the free code or say yin save Ghana na in free yen votuma Dr. Akutu on the real manner ubetimi ede party na akunkunim Nana usu afo denchem or say or sheyen ora kwaku or say good morning minua and a Felix upon bampanase wasaso abaha nomo ebio Baroski assessorewa a deputy NPP youth organizer or bosomchia baton pesia so or see a denyamiase sir honorable Jogati akwakwa fan forms to jidewa reshemo say papano and a beji MPP amanyuku no breaky 8 a day ama MPP was in enchia and come honorable Jogati NPP presidential aspirant hopeful way Baroski assessorewa and the message is somebody about WhatsApp and Facebook and your call ya ken kakra no so betimi do aba na ye din komo anopay mamema honorable mamko honorable but mama Prince Obriabo Akwaba Prince Akwaba
ya omejo so me
die boko
oba dia daru
ye de radiase honorable ase north I say north. And then still I'm insisting somebody jechi question. Eko I say north. Abra court in semi egusua esense ni komorabo.
Yo, didi kai no mefa sa kwanya yesu
na oro pacho be mic ne kakra ma
na machia nananom ene yenuanom a omwo nsuta kwaman ene beposo ene ne nkurase na won hia me a na omakasa kokwe misi ye kokwe
ye
enti munu ye kokwe na me wa me chacha mu nyina na me giri se nyankopon adawroma obi a hoye sɛdeɛ menua me wɔfa ase kan mefrɛ me wɔfa ase prekope na ma menka sem we sei na memfa mo na baso me de bra ya meti sɛ ya nominate no de meka ya ne sɛ ampa MPP for or more reward hard work ne loyalty what ani mihia me yekeda enti no do politics a meji gina mu ye
gina mu koma NDC
ma anya sam kito no onim ba bie ni wa ya minga enti sa me wode for wheel drive bi kwa wono kra am so me de bia ye no ba bi ho beduro no ka ne ya DC ba ko no bai woduro ho mo se akokui wono so bonye NDC me ma firi ho no
wo firi ho nyina no
wono kra oti so beka no kra mo de bia ye no ba bie ni ho minwura
four-wheel drive ni pie wa no mo tie ma ko ko
na do fo duru ho oso kwa ko he ayi water works aframs water works na ko de kwa ko gina ho na ko ko na wo se obusa guy bi efe no Castro so ni na no se na onkore initially na che woro glasses no woro nti no onim ne yekoso oti so kwada na be gita ka no ho a no omo eye sign bi no nti woro ko form no oti so mo yekoku na obusa Castro ni say na akoku no mo ye ne ho ya na o se hwe how do you see you know na for we drive bi ya be du bi a atwoba mponua eho ye chairman brebi okoye area back oso oduru wa akoku
SOMPA FM
ono wa wonim
okay
sa na ye didi sinte nyese bia nyanwa nti no me bona baso ba bia obewura bia obehia pozo na oye dwuma no okunu ho na ye dwuma no nti me no bra ye nominate no mama dwuma se efata se dwuma no ye de ma no na fe me so se de wo kan me ka kire NDC fo o ma meni won se assemblymen say wo no se wanto amano a enya de aya wo na ye be nominate wo enti die enti na eso tutia no mimi ni bibie tia no se ye meka ya enti de wo kan no kre na memfam free kumawu na matiasi
okay asenof okay
you see kumawu minua no me wo fa so no me na de onko ye bi ba dodo no omko ye ni nyina omo vote no se na be kan ho 304 the whole MPP machinery omampani wo ho na bedi akire wo ho
SOMPA
tina zongo kasa ya enti da bia na ka kire MPP fo wo mu adwene nyina ne so ye di omampani abedi akire ba umya be gira ya na kese enkramofo nyina zongo fo ato ba ma ya na ye yesre ya na ye da bia o kasa ye yesre na ya ye di ne he because ye beto abawo asawasi wo ko ho said good times. And he thought to say, oh, Dr. Baumia call ni ade no wase se omunyina adwene.
Momo primaries no. Okay. 2020. Okay.
Na just say, you dey aswanse dey na nani abriche ho bebia. But you know something. Baumia wan play ni cast ye. Or ye vice president no. Wa ono an nkrofo ba ko na no karosa henkura. Wasi Baumia nsan mo kikaye no. Eno na ye weapon kra dia ma NDC for and it's true and some bebre wo dey be we a video me yi akere e bi kura na okra wa hu sa de pe can you na ecosis form na wo person wo poster wo ko lo wa no wa ye wa pai gentle bibia no ye din ye kasam kura wo nka bi because wo post wo do apa say wo post so at yes ba umia wa hu no sa wo do lo wa no wa nya no so obi wo post e wo apa 6 eno na de hawa bre no
okay
enti so ye gira president obebre pa don ma ya boa no a ensem o kan ya wantimi anye ya boa no pa ya di ba betia no so onim kura nka mo mfa no ma so o MPP fo onim kura nka mo mfa no ma so atiase na wono soso no oyo obi ase de ase okasa no ohuru nipa you see that point obi ti say
Baumia no
yes no ohuru nipa o political opponent obi aya ohuru no obi dey no convince nam na to aba ma ara ohuru de mention o say no ohuru kakra bi no ohuru ahun no ohuru dipa say me politician me ye me offer say asma ya wo kan me ye NDC ni but uban su tasesi ya o mo ya mbe ya akuakuakuaku no dodo no akra no say ho no eye MPP stronghold
yes
o me MPP for why ahun but me onye good politician say o ye good politician and ko buy me ya wadodo me ya wadodo wa hwekura na no kra me ya bo MPP
say o se kumawu
so enti no de omo ye nyina nkwa nkosi hwe bo kokot na zongo ye campaign ye nkosi hu 304 votes and kwa esem de munsa gumuti you see NDC ye strategize a normal 19 ye ko mi modin a normal 9 ye ko pe no kumawu ni nyina ye achieve ye but ye nka ho asem
okay
enti na no ne ametie o man no wa ene ko de NDC fu ntimi anya na ye mesre ye de entem kura time ye free ho ye coalition free ho ansa na MPP fu kura de omo de eto ho these days no yes these days no ye hu said your bampani na nado any na MPP fu mo ani prepare person break it yes you best strategize pa ebi ne ye no okumawu no but ye mo bia ye normal ye be ye no ye mfa nto dwada okay strategies no bebre about of ye mfa nto dwada ene kura ba umia de makasa bebre so
yes MPP fu no bedua po
me makasa bebre you see
mate
wono kura no ho ye yesre na send ohuru nipa bo onye good politician uhuru nipa bo be de no amana to abama how oh nti ne hunu ba humia yo bia yeah and this word bebre no say uso onto abama ba humia pa so ya ndisi ni obi ya wato abama ndisi pa uso onto abama ba humia obebre I'm telling you so hu de meche no ohuru nipa bo kakra bi no ohuru I say ojoku bi no ohuru ni ade you don't do that right mami fancy ho enti di omo ye bia no ani mfidie di kogu aye kwa nyina enti me convince obi ya ami anto abamo 300 and 4 adamnya ka ho it is the same strategy na mo adopt to as enough for dia ani emo awe because after enough no kura de mu di mu mfidie duro me hwe oyerepa mu de mu anyi away or report TV me bia mbesa video ndi akire wo obi ho ha ya no aka mama mfu ati because e dia na me dia make o mu ntie na bia o dia no mu tie away no obi aka sai prodo da ho da no na mu ni mu wira fi se o Ghana map fo na fe ya e beto aba no na mbeto man nti ye kura na iye de because o ma hunu se question onu nti na ekwa no mo ba be ye na je se onu kura wo hero wonu nti na mo be kwa no de wo hero na je say ne wonu kura se eto aba no ma no because wonu nti na mo ba be kwa na mai now you see we nyina no menua na me kan say wo mo peu question de wonu an ye de no ba na de nti ye de ne ba no say calculated risk se si ya de emra bia nti ne so ogina na me offer say ka say wo be fa na yi na wonye Ghana ni ya no de wo bi ka say asuba ya atwam na se no so court me nkasa ho bebre atwam wo be fa na ya de no the letter of renunciation say wonye one pe Canadian citizenship no the share Electoral Commission but say Supreme Court say letter no kro de kire omo no say on pe Canadian this citizenship no yeah no until Electoral Commission gina so e the man filing nomination no kra enya djuma eno de atwam sabre letter no ayedjuma wa renounce ne Canadian citizenship say we Ghanaian citizenship emra bi antia ne so gina na MPP for mo how ne say some way ho kan wan say
omo say there's a criminal case
okay what
ebetima
kan ene de na take for no monye ya bro person ko ye law now ye ada ibia ne ma kwa edi me ye law sociology
okay
right edi me say the credit ya cho be a law sociology edi anya bi ekura no me law no
kakra
maye yes you see the uko na kokoye law na all the call laws courses no obeye ni electives no in the abia just okokoye obi o ye LLB no ono ne de be do so ati but all the core you need
the core you need na obeye
so ati yeah lecturers na no mo kire sociology ye can say social sciences no omo an law you need faculty ne ye no omo an sa ko ho enti no de ye ne say sabre no wo emra bi antia no so wo ye dey okoko gina
se say you fully Ghanaian
ase no fofo no so ti ase so you fully Ghanaian emra bia ntia no afa mo say criminal charges no say asem so obi e wo the charges tia obi a na say court no nka say asema wo de atia no ya bu no fa nipa no ye innocent sa na emra kire o
yes
emra kire say nipa no hu say wo ye innocent ntia bibifo no kro mo kaka sa no kro mpo no e bia no mo ni mra
until proven guilty
the first way innocent sabi wudi ni kura wa hu say wakum nipa woni mi de ntia ya wakum e bia kwara nipa no ande so onku no ana say bibi ene ka no na okuku no wodi ne court until say court say obeka say oye wudi no emfre no wudi ni this say court say afedi oye wudi ni wakum nipa question de kanyi na benim say second oni de ante say second enya no kre second day at the time when no parliament nyina no na wo hold 3 citizenship Ghana there Burkina there and the UK there but I took a question there they didn't ntisa wo ye Ghanaian bibia nka ho bio afesu so no on say in law the free bibi say men's rear and atus real men's rear no kire say adwena ya adi de wo ye na chie na atus real nen say action na de na wo ye na nkasa eti say wo ka say nde esabi mbekuma sumasi na wokwa pa to no akuma sumasi adwena wo de kwan so akuma sumasi na mpa watutuo no akuma sumasi na so wo ka sa kra na say bia wo kɔ no kra wonnim na bia obi agina wachi because wo say wo bekuma sumasi so ate ase na wotwetuo no so ate ase na etuo no to na kokuma sumasi na odi wo wachi na emra say uniewu de make an ate ase because adwena na wo de kɔ no no ane ade na ye no ehia
nti nyenyo no mom na wo pe no aye ne na wo ka no na enipa afro
sa eno no nhia bensre no wo say
wudi abam
wudi abam but wo no wanyi wadwene say wo kum wo ti ase asomati no aye wadwene say wo kum no but obi de so otuo no mu na asomati no kura wo wachi na aye de koku no what ase enti no wo no adwene a ye wode ye was the feeling form no nya na adwene ne say wo pese obumra so na adwene ne say wo do Ghana ana wo beboboa Ghana enti say akoba say ebia enfomso okura ba meji say court no kon behwe ho na wo mo ayedai wo mo aye bibi e hono de me nko wo bebre look in any case say MPP for ka ho asem no enti sesi ya so so onyira bio a enti criminal charges don be drop ana bibuza
eno de edi omo a
edi omo abusa omo se di omo edi omo am tibusa omo se edi wo se afedi onyina bio di afedi onyina bio no ombehunu mo bo no odofo no na what you say enti no se de ye kan akwada ya wa kyere no ma na ehye ne nsamo no akogina panimu animu no obusa nse adoma no a ye kura me no wawu ana se waye dey wonwui panimu no nim nyansa nti wo ka kyere nse suwawu so nwuyo wo wa nsem because wo ka kyere nse nwuyi a wo be mia na me na wu wo ka kyere so wawu a no wagya no ko so ati ase enti MPP for wo mo ha ne say wo se edi wo mo a
honorable
look say ya ba na wo ha question ye be ya na me na ko
mo head of legal team lawyer Abraham Amaliba so che say a risky ade na
macro wa calculated risk
yes
calculated risk we are putting our best foot forward so question so what gina bosume ba ko na say MPP for say ne ho ahinti ye de betum kura wa MP wasum ne man na sie hu ate ase nyame mpangu me kasa nyame mpangu amasa wasum ne man wa MP
o sense say ye ko
wa MP wagidi ye ba no ho so ate ase say me ni question na megina na ya to aba mame say me hu ahini ene wo 20 MPP for because NDC no ha ye mfa no ntum because nya dwene money no de baaye na say nunti no wo 20 no de batumu a na say nyame mpangu wo di bosume kura wa MP
say Adamu Dramani Sakande eduru baby or renounce sa na
university wo no Sakande no na machiro mu no time no ye MP nyina wo di Burkina de travel wo di UK de travel
but eduru baby or renounce but still no
wo renounce ya say na wo di kai mfumso na wi but when say the before so obey MP no ati efu otie bu so utie me wo so nim
no was starting process no
nya se no starting process no ye beto aba ayi se MP no na wa renounce so dada ye beto aba
se parliamentary election na mo file na wie di akwa electoral commission
na make electoral commission but at the time wa ye beto aba de
ai
na wa renounce so ni nyina court no behwe at the time wa ye swearing in as member of parliament no wa renounce so
yes
onye Canadian
say nti na de call parliament ko kire say
what you say enti ni nyina no court behwe adwempa and the question they call.
But I say, before, now, and after. Until before, no process and banning in our elections and no anti at every point to be a BB echo sesa process no and go through ye.
Man, until you can.
You say elections before, during, and after. Until before, ye bien krata mu kofan krata so hu makofa process the process no me feel no na ye busam say because school he ebia manko university makotra sem meko university na che ko wiam ko hu say
na che se wanko
manko a makotwa ntro so hu enti process no anu ye before na during ye to aba no after ne ye to aba na chi ewiechi enti ni nyina ye
ekabom ne yakase yeto
ene yese yeto so hu enti process mu ba ko no se chimato ba na
de ye ko to asem na wo kana de ye to awi
ni jechi question process ya na make
me ne ne ye betu sesi ya ho asem na wo kana se de ya to dada no
election sa ya to dada no
ai eno de se ya ka ho asem awi ye se ye ni mini nyina enso no na ye me na gina se process no kura bibia nko yi
se do e Ghana ni do o fully Ghanaian
kama ascend of fonti se o ye Ghana
o ye Ghana
no no mo peso muti
o ye Ghana ni
emra bia so ntia mebo
me
say emra bia so ntia no say
yes emra bia ntia no say
ascend of peso
because Abraham Maliba ni lawyers be akasa say they qualify
and na wo say e risk ni say see to aba na say bia ye de no court na say bia ye de ya etiano
na
okodemu a se ehu ati ase nyame mpangu eno na me ka se empo nyame mpangu se ekoba sa wasom ne man
okay
wasom ne se me ekoko frempo wan ka sa na meye se nchirema ene asen no fofo no behu se oh me de opepe na bae kane ne me ye no mfunso bae enti ye se menye MP ye yimi se me ye Ghana ni magina mo ato aba ma me makwa akosom mo na wotan otanti ebinum se kinjira de mbekọ court because NDC for now one ye masin no for 40 ati say NDC le wa ye mfa no court da because nya dwene boni no de ye
mate
so ati ase ha nke be ka so we de nya hwe ko ba bi na kokọ so man ye de ye domo asin no for ye domo ye nti say MPP for de mo pen no ye so ye pen mo ntoman e bibia nko ye mamo
observer
ni obe ye kama
mate ni de
ati mo dinti
mate
na ya tata no
yo observer ni the honorable Ekoko from Paul the longest 7 DC Ghana has a former DC in Suta Kwama Bipo so yes Central and on also so yet no na me ko prince obri ebo honum na mo messages na kakra eyi ni kakra de free honomo court ahinkan or say SOMPA you do but don't lie on NDC pacho and ope obi en drova NDC home na hima sapon or say this man looks very jealous about Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Pedro wa Medina Cruz or say a loud and clear inside Indianapolis. A Kumasi Tanoso Kesben Junction wa you yate and Nana Hima Sapon so asadi ababio or London or say Mr. James Jechikwesin shouldn't listen to this NDC man. You yate so it's another mass upon you and my more London and pay mutie na moshe nyina no e de mase ya mama chepa ano pay ba miko prince obri ebo ahono na prince I say enough NDC say omode James Jechikwesin eba James Jechikwesin no aso the statement aba na watchi was it Thursday no say oko then the consequences or call lawyers be say a risky including lawyer Abraham Maliba or ye NDC or more illegal team penny say a risk a calculated risk also more a shenim you still
Yo, dedikai
SOMPA FM
ya ode amame. Mame nchia menu amompanifo a menu mo studio ha. Na menchia tifo ene ahwefo a omudi achi ena anopai. Yede oba de ase so de enkwa ache biem. Ghana nchichiri nti na anopa bia menu ampanifo two card free ten na say chiri honorable metie no woko di dwumadi won kana sese ko da dwodwo no ho enso Ghana nchichiri nti o ha se yo na otwe sene midi kai epija yiraje chikwesin ehonsem bai na fortunately na Ashanti Regional NDC Vice Chairman na what baby honorable etie ya
no correct Captain Jabaro.
Yes. Yeah. Ana me sha see pija possible issues I beba. Me lawyer. Me banking by profession and
SOMPA FM.
But in the course of the week, you know, womo law munim die aba abonten e de abeto ensem na me yede me kan ye ni bi so. Na edu baby na se ukoshe defensive end ese wo na defend ya eden. I will repeat. Message ya MPP de beko and omo sha ase last week no ndi panakra na modern eko no or criminal charges and looking at the civil case ni the way si koye no there's that likelihood so betimi lose criminal no enti se mom pesa mo basa be by election bi ma mamonto magic question and
that will be message MPP e de beko ewo ase north se mom pe by election bi
ma
se ebe se yato aba ne na echina yesa so ababiwa mamonto magic question.
Yes,
okay,
because
okay
se court ebe
SOMPA FM
and nyina enim the city na ahwe ase north a ewo dynamics abana ye koto no bibia betimi asi didi kai enchen yete asen north free asen central na constituency ne asen enti se record na chese afi 1992 ye rebia ne friend Francis K Edizi ana original in the name of National Democratic Congress ana owene ye then again in 1996 Francis Kumi the honorable Francis Kumi and the bigina ye also in the ticket of NDC satam na ebum baby Canada Japan war any baby ayekwa by election na ne boom into the first two elections no NDC na rene then in the year 2000 ana yira Ken ebebu PM oba ye no rene in 2004 Orene 2008 FM chese no cement seat no e de ama MPP ye ko 2012 ane titi constituency ni bi mu ye den e kan ho ane ti Asen Central ana kudi Asen North
ni Asen South
ye to abe di kai no NDC na we ni ye na papa bi ye friend Samuel Ambre ona erene on the ticket of NDC ye ko 2016 NDC lost ana yewra yenuaba abra drowa mensa eno kwa nkofo se nibusu ne nsam jona that's the profile of Oba say ne wo fa direct to a lot of things then in 2016 2020 yewra question erene so we check it vote last week auditors ene yenko biema eda ho na abana ye kwa akoto no bibia betime eden asi na me can we na ma
SOMPA FM
ye be saba abe by election profile educate timemufo abano bibia betime asi so hwe vote pattern the way is swinge etoda NDC berene parliamentary presidential na MPP arene etoda parliamentary MPP berene presidential na NDC arene eye margin no
ya na eketwe but most importantly abribia Asen North for ombeto aba parliamentary e de ama NDC no omoto aso to presidential de ma NDC and abribia so a omoto parliamentary e de ma MPP no omoto e de ma NPP presidential enti time o say enti 2020 a omokoto skirt and blouse no omoto ema president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo but omokoto parliamentary no e de ma Jechi Kwesi
the last week in na Jechi Kwesi vote with them over 3,000 and ode
and Nana Addo so between Nana Addo ne John Mahama so no about 1,000 something yes
enti battlegrounds over 1,000 votes
yes
ana obia pese oye ho adwuma no eden na wonya now one dynamics this week na me din komo na me tie was that unim say abnadro a every community bia ye fro kushe
asen kushia okay asen kushia yes
madam fu bi kokyera ade wo ho
okay
nti ma me ko ho
okay
na small community e baby wo kwa na wo kwa ka nko gise moto nti ka wo de pakisi baby no ato aso eden area ho no free
okay
then it also came to light that Yera Jechi Kwesi every breku
asen breku
nti
say na ye krokese no
nti the issue was yedieni the strategy MPP adopted for this by-election what a compromise candidate was that omu peso omu su yi obi a ofri breku nti seba they want to break that back because other small communities they will fight on equal grounds nti this by-election strategically it's not about Facebook pictures said the nano mekan ha no wa ubetima akwa grounds no no aye adwuma ni ye ana be kire ekwan a ebefa so na my main fight indicate public akra since the Fourth Republic ya by election more than 18 times
yes
ehun sem kan no na Ashanti region there main fire nkwachi in the year 2012 kwa abre he ya na former Ashanti regional minister Usuansa free mu and unfortunately a weekend ya near baba to aban me ka say time na me near Europe ponchichiku we madam for pa na say me wo fa panyini ana me ne no den enam that day na Professor Mercy den free mu enti da Professor Mercy free mu ni near be ko by election e wo kwa abre the same period no near be ko walansi by election
is it Telensi papa no okodi hene no eja akonya na MPP yes
na by election no amaso the amana amaso was that near prepare new voter register by biometric one and no verification no vote and the question was voter register ban near de kwa akoto sa by election no so NDC MPP CPP at the Electoral Commission court then the court ruled that so omuso munwe we dia omuntimi mfa new one nye that time no near July be Professor Mercy 24th July then on compromise parties decided say aka 5 months near January elections inti say tie dia yenjai all together my enko election no and omujai now my main fire enko achiri kakra bi na yenhwe by election under the third parliament between 2001 to 2004 there were 6 by elections
okay
and
2001
to 2004
to 2004
6 by elections
ana
ekoye
okay
NDC we need 3 MPP we need 3 enti so hwa ehona na bimbila yeto aba obimbila yeto aba
Dominic Bingham niti wo de ba parliament yes
yeto aba okumawu ti kumawu by elections ya ape ho nyame mane mpare wo yeto aba okumawu yeto aba wo Gomua East
yes
yeto aba wo Walansi ane yeto amamfi so na NDC ni
SOMPA FM
Central saba na ye entokwasi ho me kaipa ane yeto Novrengo Central MPP na we ne ye ye kan say Bimbila MPP na we na mamenka we said the be tie for ya sa project we be ba be ya ansan to election no
sure
MPP wo power wa gi seat miensa na ya NDC seat ebre call by
elections okay
enti se abai yekoto na MPP we ni a eno nkire se January elections obeden your dynamics here what say this by election ho no we a political party na one handle ni ya enye den emwa so in the year in the year 2002 the MP for Bimbila constituency yewra Dr. Eben Chambers and or resign ya wunya ECOWAS appointment
yes
we den okoye no say seat no na wo kan say nitu
SOMPA FM
NDC nsem NDC ntimi anwiteni then there was papa bi ane friend Richmond Sam Kwam ono so ye MPP ni Gomua East and also MPP retaining na the we one Emmanuel Champo be fine.
Okay.
Also there was also Emmanuel Champo also died in an accident. Ono so honum ono so ye no MPP FRC you know.
Okay.
Then there is this man by name Kofi Karim Wambia also on the ticket of MPP on the Bewene Walansi seat you know.
Okay.
Enti so we by elections here to no Ghana ha particularly some people were power they are most likely going to win
by elections
no.
So seats no NDC dia
let's say that cemented
NDC strongholder
because they making Dr. Ben Chamba seat na NDC
yes
SOMPA FM
and Dominic Bingham ababesumo was cemented dia MPP
there are several examples then I think in the year 2003 one Abraham Kofi Asante of NDC also resigned against Sonfo on the ticket of MPP
EBG seat no
there are records so you better that project we will screen so am here for nyene na me person me the build the point
sure
abana yekoto no bibia betimi asi na enye do or die
most by elections na man for say ya na eta fall for government in power
yes because ade chinye na machines me so said the honorable kind they no misumi hu bi away machines no dey kono
okay e wa sen hono no
misumi hu bi away the machines ne kono enti a very dicey between the two political parties wa obetimi a present any wa obeye adwumaden eno na be kire de we be say den akọ na honorable kasa no ka say eye ba fia yesiesie I think that emra so say this line of politics ye nyina no ye pekwan bi so ne two politicians for no ye den do mu jai wonim yaw obetimi de we are in by election but I can sit on this chair and predict who the lose general election
okay
because general election no untimi mfa machine enkosi constituency bia ma ne nyeden
enye
ana ni pa ehwew last week ye betena ha ana ye kan investment sika a course by election and me make submission I made reference to principles of then equity or maxims of equity there ama NDC no mun sheda ni too much of moral grounds so mu be criticize the course of
SOMPA FM
no because of national elections no mu yen a week earlier no eniema a course so na ma eden so betimi akoka kumawu nsem bebre because the maxims of equity be catch us say he who comes into an equity must come with a clean hand wa na wo be kasa no onsa ho enkeka wa eden e wo ho and yen nyina ya we special prosecutor say we invite nipa num bi me tie mo sister radio stations even
ejura lady bako
yes
yes
Yewura Mahama so was say a quiet sika or the chair and I said what TNT or the ma pooling agent omra meden e me chirichim nas was wo hwehwem necessary so friend or be friend and on the basis of saniama we amana ye difficult so mo be criticize the eden e course so kumawu no but I can tell you say we MPP member now we show this tactics and the winning don't be happy because general elections you cannot certify everybody with 275 constituency no untimi nya machine bia anya den enko ti masam ne se se wo pese uye bibi ade to ho se de daachi bi enchirima be kaiwa ene ya aka 1.5 year ansa ne akoto aba no ye anya ne sa eniema nyina is pointing towards the direction se eniema mu ye den ene me ba me the people way by me ba na man ka economics ya na ha me because my background I don't want to do so much of political analysis from all indication economy no eniema ya na ye den yaw and me no tena ha ana me share obo say and I say me can say so share debt exchange aban na ye na wo hwe baby e kofa free ye a ye besua ye omu de two after 4 years ya Ghana we am the people we be ma ya anya careful be better enti dem candidacy election is that economy ni mu ya na ye den enti se wo bibia wo de be savage situation na you must do it now na in an attempt to say you be convince the few group na ye kwa by election obeji 10 cedis obeji 20 obeji 50 obeji 100 Ghana but do general one na enam sa the man enra ninti say ne one fan commander onkoto and in spite of all the motivation and the factors say the senior kai no the vote difference of or appreciation here 304
Kumawu MPP
last week me be can say celebrating loser troubled vector
yes
they or no lose you nani age do we ne ya ne shadam ya analysis ya or you worried timasem ne say we should do this by election on the clean ground yemfa clean campaign yemu say Ghana ye there yakwa several by election more than 18 ni nyina no yakwa ayeden afrimu diaba I wish the best of the candidate or the best candidate the best of luck yemon pa say nyame ene asumdue bebo ma Ghana me ato aso
then the prince obri boa na yete ne nka no bi a wabene wosikasemu na nyina ye ascend of by election ena yedi ho enkomo yi afi me yenya no nkakra NPP mo flag bearer contest a eba so mo council of elders susu eba se be ya aspirants ni bi nsi form nke enya compromise candidate na mo mfa no 2024 puzo
Boa me da se e wa kwanya sa de man bim na bi mi anya economics nkwan wo ye o say politician you see so utie ne nsem na waka no a free say onimdie wo amanyusem wo hwe ne nsem na waka ni
SOMPA FM
ya me ka say afidie ba so ya ne dikiti amanfo bi gide ye so bi a wo tie de bi including me e hwe bi de free ne nsem na waka no mani age de we a o see ye baben ka yi be to bi wa dedika yes say upon there MPP ye kuma wuni nyina no 300 and something per the back
yes
so
a little over 300 votes and a back
what the by you if you say by election is different from general election
no correct
because ye general election obi wo enkran obi otum obi wo wa obeba because general election obeto president obi okra because of president anything no obeto oba no dibi ama wo member parliament enti ho ya ye hu ni sa
no correct
say the party do say credit to aba
no correct
so because campaign ye both NDC ni MPP campaign ye ni nyina na ye campaign nipa won kumawu constituency ye ntreze anko ba bi a say bi obi okumawu na hodo to aba na obi a adwira na say so nti ade ba ko ye ye hu no ba me mla said na o ka ade ba ko so say by election be our dynamics yes said ye si ko di ko kumawu no and the same ena wo de beko abi for instance ma me fa me wo fa nyina ye constituency
isuta kwa mai
asem a be ka no be poso am ya boy ensem am ya no ukomalu ana banana na break ya na cho so kwa na cho kwase be bo na no because yi be kwa krai eye o makwan enom kanenti nam koye
SOMPA FM
what you say e yo makwan nom kanenti because minister of energy because minister of rules enam nya kwa so ne vice president so shi ai e de sa no ma we nyina leta be de koye ni nyina no so nya sa kwanja sa ne vice president ehye aso ba mi krom be poso ye was straight for no akobire mo akeka straight ye babo eti dynamics campaign bielia bia wodai na me rema you general secretary just include the info strategy of the be call e be different back to issue a hold more say a council of elders we say pay for say uni panyina dui na me se nipa 10 as say
yes nipa 10
me be nya pa no nipa
na ke nu 10
ya me personal you know me nya na kalipa na ndusa ta wo say duru no in the way na say me de ya na me say ade bia ya odmo se de bia me ko office me ntu kwan na me ko office am fatum say me ko basic schools man kokora 5 ti me ko office 6 o'clock na me bag akosi office na fe na me driver ni atiesi ni eco schools ba school bia me ko bia me hu keji KG for P1 for say school no and credit doors no say school no future the school bo ma ko tru no bo say upper primary no mo doors baba lower primary no say school ya me ni amra school ne bigu then person be come man the question say so what tete political party political party me political party one particular
SOMPA FM
tisasa de na ayi yenu anmo de o me de bia ni chese ankoye ni pesi masi de amo amaka nyina mo nka ho enti sa wo hwe ya sa wo titi party na eduru time a ubie ekwanya de to na ekwanya na obebie de ato no wonya nipa dom a wo no ewie wo mo ho wo kali wo mo say yes wo mo so nimdie ni suahu a wo masua no party ni mo no amo masipi asita se wo mo so wo ye de Ghana show mo nsa wo mbetimi abuo man na chese party no future so azu mi say so be the party no one person na chere nipa ni anywhere afi na wo kwa bonten ene wa kwa akofa ubi e de na ba se sa ni person afi na wo ba betete nana enti ade a be mi hu no mi hu ne se eye party no
SOMPA FM
because all your man pay dada ko 4 pence oba ye nipa bebre ni time so nipa bebre nya kukuduro se wo mo so wo mo eyi a eprea ebi sana na dan ko akufo ado ba so na ade bia no opanyi eso no economics ye school kitu abi the school kitu you see a cons na kakra so now we economics ade what advantage be or disadvantage ade be what advantage or disadvantage
is true
so eti disadvantage e woman nti and a party ni nimdie you say the past 17 no call you edu ba bi na we tumali we bam na we tumali we bam na we tumali we bam enti sadia party no ya say ya jika bi mami kabi edi obi ntimi president obi se chinchira ya ma wunyina na betimi eye possible say ye ko ya num betimi nya abru nipa 17 no ekwa be na ye mfa so se nipa ne bro 5 wa ye nko Electoral Congress ye nko sone so na beduru 5 ansana delegate ni nyina akwato aba na ha ana ye panyimfo a ye council of elders eye me de pass panyimfo we say dia bi ni asanse mo kanya nhyew ARP eya decide no mo de sna wo mo because o mo dwene bibi say di parable 5 wa afi na oba be ko Electoral Congress eno yeka se ukọ wi a ansana yakwa akosone so amana ka 5 na wo interview minua ba ko kasa yi pa ma manage na mo busa no say asa enye too early and asa enye too late there be we are council of this member e be there say we won nya so abofo e na onye yesu to we say what that's da we see the pattern e beba nti situation bia wa na mutu esutu to mo no say adrum pempe so we say e na so mutu anamo na mo so mo sra wo mo na so mo esi chinchina akwa no mbekọ a mo ni option bia ma me 1 minute na men kan sen ba ko me nua ba bi sende message bi ba o se o hwe emla me wo fa kasa no a na me sele kakra because na mele na wo de man no na me wo kasa nyina na ye me dese me tia nwi enka me nko na esi ahene fu akwato eba ayi Ghana man panyina be de eche so mla be fra bela. Only do you know the reason why? Yes. Do you know the reason why? So the time one no offer. Time one the man. When you zoom kakra be 9 minutes 30 seconds. oka kuma wasemo 9 minutes 30 seconds hama ba omi anko a na se wo me mi wakotoko na me ne asefo kwa akoma ball asefo na be check pa enfa kotokofo mo fa na go na man te sa mo de we be dago a ye be hye mo na mo ye fa na mo hye
Matipozo Abzafo ni de Benjamin Kingsley Kodia oye DC wo sutako ama people so amenko honorable Ekoko Frempo honorable what fancy busa say kotoko ne has na enyo mo ball no mo kobo na fi mo asem ne say
no fa busa ka busa so team be
me the football me football fan
okay
can I enquire brim there say who say be insuta atonsu na team wa ye ni mane kotoko cha si we kotoko but say me nyine ye no who say team no nya ba ko pe me na me take team ko bi ase na kotoko but me nyine ye no who say team no
nya ba ko pe
okay so now we kotoko but say the man who say team no do so na me akra me football fan you know team no me hwe say kwara si we o Messi
SOMPA FM
me offer say kanu me nka say obi nyi ba umia me na ne ho asem bi na me ka keke say mawu okoye na je say ase wo joku no ye say eno ho asem na me ka na say eno na ntimi anya hwe sa jokins no eno no enye effective but ehun hia say me kan bebre because e bia na me kan bebre kwa na wakwa kojai wo person obi to abama wa say dey fa na wo person to abama na ase wo joku na wo sere na be dey to abama you know na me ka no. You say, how does it work? You say, me wants to tell you not, baby, bedroom. You know my strategy. They be as a minimum say, before so, na hoye MPP stronghold. Na ma jere me hona me MPP fuachi. Na ma jere me hona me kaseti ya. How? Who be then what me convince obi am na to abama. They make cannot hear.
No correct.
Indeed, me nyam politics sir. But yeah, can say, ya was say, if one anyo mai, asem na omoka. Eh, senta mo kra nka mu hunu kan mu yimi firi mu. But mo de mo men kakakra. Can say, kraman ya won kire no. Say, wo frɛ no nyame be kire a. Ne se wo ayo adwene se wo frɛ no Jack no obe kire. Enya de obe kire. Hwɛ papa we wo kase wo ti asoma make no. E bia na wonya ntia se me kire mu. MPP no omo di hwɛ bodada. Papa e ka asem bi and it's a point. Enra na metie Kwame Mpianim. Unim say we founding member of MPP.
Yes.
And was say economist.
Yes.
What say declare state of emergency between TV3. Papa am so the UT. What see declare state of emergency because say economy no the edro no. And what's medding? Na me no baby o ha ya na media. Say si ye ba na bia say economy ho asem ne ye beka. Ensantwofo yi me ka me de ahakura de onim ahade akura osisa no nse uma yi kasa yansa na be kasa most of the radio and TV stations wo ko ya NDC ni wo be dika kasa wo kasa wie ya no ma MPP ni kasa no are party ke wo ka nyina wo no nsem tro ni na wo moderate no nka hwe enti atiefo no se de wo ka ya nya nkre se nya no kre obi hu enti bre bi wo kra me kasa ba me ba en kwamfa so obi amaso because just e na be kan so what you say wo de ne kra de osisa one woman na kasa yansa na be kasa most of the radio stations
and friend if
you see most of the radio stations any TV stations that must have no more
but opposition no opposition na o say opposition na o say mo check mo survey as a check
yani say was a checker but there ono also no enka de o kan ni en say was a check so so me ntaje ni ho asem no waka no so be ye
ti o twasa no
and I say mo no nka wie wo ka wie a ni yare bat
na wo tutu
no check so mo pe check dia ni mo nya ne sa
Martin
right mo nya ne sa
Martin honorable
it's a big issue so man baby ye duro no look and was say Russia Ukraine war and now COVID na hwan ne akeka ne saa baby ya o ma we ye duro no wonya o man numu a ya ye economic situation no Africa how e say ye de even the whole world wanya hwe wonya o man du a ya ye economic situation no e say Ghana de say John status pa na all credit rating agencies ye do to John status ye case ye do to John status what say wo de wo ye born na wo ye wura ya obi pe baby no obobosi a odi opoman abonobosi a emfa nko ho odi ko Ghana odi ato bollam usika no odi ato bollam sa na o mo peso o mo kire unya o mai du ewo wiase nyina ya ye situation ti so o mo de wo ba bibrem ha ya say wagi timamufo sika wo se wontimi ntua ye me ka say MPP abayi no say wo mo change bawu wo mo change no de bawu miu wo mo de ma alanchemachi wo mo de onje eti se kraman wo change ni free nyame be kire na de ko jack enkonko se hwe
mate
wo mo nya hwe ebio sa domestic exchange program ayi abibrem ha sei o mai bie ni ho abibrem ha ya wo shift mamifo ma bomo wosia na sabere we sei dura metu ya wosia na mam na mam nsi hu na duru ho wantimi anye ye o mai sansani MPP for die hwemo no country African country ha obi anye
nate
so ati ase na sa hwemo die we sei no why na odi ne ba ya obi bega ho no ato abama ho o mampani dada kufo na dia asem de ba
nate
what say who was sitting na to aba the year 2024
on ba hwe
o mo sitting pa why captain ni o ba hwe na sitting
mate
why trader why jadidi o ba hwe na sitting
mate
why driver ni o ba hwe na why teacher ni o ba hwe na sitting what aba
mate
na ye MPP for free o mo failure
mate
the message said Alan Jermaine can they don't have any message.
Praise Mamra also a few minutes now.
Just a minute
yes.
Now we made the motive
MPP
we development story enti yen ka ho nsem bebre but make us a good steps ana omu etake no na say omo person mo pe compromise candidate ade na ye straightforward
enti ga office e hwan pa nanka so compromise candidate say 10 no komunyi hwan
me papa MPP ni mapa in fact na akwa asomra once me see me feel typical village weekend me call asomra na area hom papa na area council chairman enti me you be a minim say edru so no enti wo pe compromise candidate dia ye obi a minim nua kwabransa for share em say about a month ago say all the cabinet na se na ka che kwabransa kwabra
wo nua kwabransa for
me ka kwabra of friend presidential
okay
kwabransa for so the kwabransa for
pokunsa for yes
pokunsa for kwabransa for do me sorry remember enti on the attack say the bia enti mon kan che ne say we babunu for ye den e wo ho enti mu man panimfo ne nye den enko this way nya asema hackman wunim sa de dadaada nya fe na wo be ka se enko na nya de na asemu emrante no emo ayi no nya na nya yi honorable babu ama
yemfa ni aka de mayetiefo yemfa ni aka de mayetiefo yemfa di aka na emma Fadia and my TV observe Yamramo ho. Na with your menu aba Linda Ofuri ata Linda Ofuri ata or say anopenin and na yedene tumpem ye oba penny ya ahimfie yedene tumpem wo atonso esly taxi rank ono mo na ya mame Linda yebeba na yaba beta wo chipa wate yaba beta wo chipa enye asem ketwa ena menu abafo so yede ne maame madam Philomena Jomo so tumpam anopeya ewa swase eye K6 opposite new police station wa wo asie no aye ben Golden Temple pub ene anopeya make us krade odampem krade da ewo ehonomo a abusiafo ekwa akogya no ena kuku birthday die ma nya me nkone kuku birthday Buffalo mpacho pe picture ne to ono mama me picture me dia sendo na mame mfa ba ku mienu miensa na yenko abudia bi gina honom. Hello, good morning.
Sompa FM.
Hello, good morning. Kuku ane da so no ho. Fa ne to so sa mame. Fa ne to so ma. Hello, good morning. Buziafo entimi enyina so ti abuziafo ene me chief executive Kuku ne da TV so ene Yakopo ya adomo a e kire ne birthday Kuku e wo hwe wo hu Kuku e wo hwe wo mate Kuku a honorable pozo say ya manente wonka wate manente wonka di ene Yakopo ya adomo e kire Kuku a birthday e kire Kuku a birthday nti Yankopon tunu nkwanem na Kuku ene me de me nhyase na se me mra fie kina nti mami hu na yehu ne ebeye nti happy birthday enkoma ono so na kan he only queen say his only queen was a den Kuku happy birthday enko emfa emma de aye de besia de besi Edibesi. Okay, Edibesi. Mamina honorable Ekoko Frimpon ase or former DC Osita my people so no ase. And also former NALAC president. Former NALAC president. And honorable Benjamin Kingsley Kodia so
so no see sports for more sports. So see di one time so. So no see di Bible land same so. Come on you have
Sana hotel you and honorable Benjamin Kingsley Kodia so DC was Utakwa my people so Prince Obria Boa a banking consultant as I saw obi a wabene wosikasemo and yetene nkano abusiafo mamenyina nana kwa mo hene anamu mamenyina nana kwa mo hene anamu na ye na obi biase ye na obi biase na no ya wada na ne mame ekwakura na sene ye nyina ye kokoja no ma wo ye ne mame ayi no na kwa mo hene ese oda obi biase niwra tumfo say to tosumi no odana se na asante hema so odana se asante maya hemfo nyina ene domo a ifiwiase nyina ebeta na chi ema oye ne maame yi no oso do bibia se do bibia se pa ne mo hwere won ho bia so no yankopon ensa na mu emfa emamo intimidie ene de eye mia meba mia de nyina kimora Oba Pabuama and me ba me second born birthday. Me man happy birthday. Happy. Oh wife. Yes, Oba Pa, happy birthday wate. I mean shiraw. Oh wife get one why. Onyere onyiri ntem na de buffalo. E ka obe dam buffalo. Like Me ka so 10 years na say.
And so o say scambo.
Oh second born.
O say tempa. Oh, send temper.
Oh, Dabi.
Oh, what problem like I only you. I like a thief you 25 years more.
What do you mean? 25. Oh, 25.
Every chapter,
Mate. Abu Piatum, them deposit here.